Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com. Yet another desperate appeal from residents of Woodsville in Hanover for a bridge to be replaced. The structure has deteriorated further just days after we first highlighted the issue. Dwayne Anderson has this Primetime News follow-up.
A lot more debris was seen under the Woodsville Bridge compared to 3 days ago when we visited the Eastern Hanover community. It is a clear sign that the structure is falling apart faster than some had expected. But it's seemingly not enough to stop some pedestrians and motorists from walking or driving across the increasingly dangerous structure. Some of the users say they have no choice.
Well, this bridge is very important, This bridge can lead you to Sav and Petersfield back that side. And at least you can access the whole of Westmoreland from here, traveling on that bridge. From Westmoreland, you can access Hanover, St. James back that side from this end. And this bridge is very important. And we have a lot of school. The children have to use it. People have to go to work. And we just asking to fix the bridge as urgent as possible.
When this river coming, as me say, trust me, it's terrible, really terrible. So, I know nothing good.
So you want it to fix?
Right now. Because, see, we have goods van even come up sometime. We can't get no goods because nobody now cross the bridge. Nobody now cross it. Only few walk foot and bike we pass it. Nobody no one pass.
In addition to the immediate threat to lives and property, the impact of the damaged bridge may become more evident in the future.
You see the kids sitting down, no school, they are not going to no school. That especially the kids that go from here in Woodsville to Brewery, they don't go to school because they are afraid of the bridge. So they don't go to no school, and it is so hard to see them sitting down for 2 years already, and for this now to happen, they are still sitting down.
Residents say the alternative route is also unfit for travel.
There's a community on the other side named Hillbrooks. Looks that they are directing it to Cascade. And Cascade Road is all right, but Hillbrooks Road is totally impossible. You don't make a sense for use Hillbrooks Road to travel.
When our news team contacted the Member of Parliament for Eastern Hanover, Dave Brown, he committed to speaking with our news team in the community about what representation was being made on the people's behalf. But after waiting hours in the community Saturday, the MP was a no-show. He later explained there was an issue that caused him to cancel. Still, residents are speaking out.
The MP and the councillor, a few weeks ago, I talked to the MP at a grave digging, because I tell him how bad the road is.
Communications manager at the National Works Agency, Stephen Shaw, says the bridge is the responsibility of the parish council. Representatives from the NAA visited the site and issued an advisory against persons using the bridge. Experts working on behalf of the NAA have also recommended that the bridge be demolished. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.